Hello everyone! Today I'll guide you through fixing the iOS 17.4 battery draining fast issue on iPhone and iPad. Many users have experienced unusual battery drain after updating to iOS 17.4, so let's address this issue together. Firstly, make sure to quit all apps running in the background. Swipe up in the app switcher to close all apps not in use. Next, turn off location services as it's a power-hungry feature. Navigate to Settings Privacy Location Services and disable it if it's on. Disable Background App Refresh to prevent apps from refreshing in the background, consuming battery. Go to Settings General Background App Refresh and select Off. Turn off automatic app downloads and updates to improve battery life. In Settings, go to App Store and ensure both automatic downloads and updates are turned off. Restart your iPhone or iPad by performing a hard reset using the volume up and power buttons. Remove weather widgets from the home and lock screens as they can contribute to battery drain. Enable dark mode, which not only enhances viewing but also improves battery life. Go to Settings Display Brightness and select Dark Mode. Update all apps from the App Store by tapping on your user icon and selecting Update All. Enable Low Power Mode either from the Control Center or by navigating to Settings Battery. That's all for today. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.